last thing is ground turkey. 99% lean ground turkey. Food line, because Aldi hasn't been having that ground turkey either. I got home last night. I saw my 2 small Lego sets. They came in. And today, updated, it said the Daily Bugle Lego set is coming in from 2 to 5 p.m. Estimated time. That's good. Make up for it, because I'm gonna have to be doing, I gotta do legs. I gotta do legs, and it's gonna be in the gym when the gym's not open. And it's gonna be hot and humid as shit. Because yesterday it felt pretty good because it wasn't as humid outside. But this next week, it said it's going to feel like 105 to 110 degrees because of how hot it is outside. How hot and humid. It'll only be 95 to 98 degrees, but the heat index is going to feel like 110. Like, it sucks. So I will not be outside all that. That's for damn sure. But like I said, I gotta go to the gym on Sunday. So that's gonna be brutal. I'll try to turn a few fans, but probably ain't gonna help a lot because, like I said, I'm doing legs. Legs 2. Legs 2 is just so fatiguing. About it going on today. I might film something else, I might not, we'll see. But don't be surprised. Bye. So today I got all my Lego sets together. We got, first off, the free one that came with the one off of Lego.com. 18 plus. It's Jane Austen's books, or a tribute to her books. And then we got the Fortnite Durburger. We got the Avengers Infinity Saga Infinity Gauntlet. And then we got the big boy, the Daily Bugle. 3,772 pieces. Comes with all those different minifigures. So it's going to be cool to put all these together. I'll probably start off with this one. And then I'll go to the Durburger. And then I'll go to this. And then I'll finish off with this big boy. That'll take me a while because, you know, I don't sit there and just do it all at once. I kind of do it a little bit. And I'll come back and do some more. And then get it done when I need to get it done. You know what I mean? But it's going to be good. It's going to be fun. So just giving you an update on that. And I'll probably try to film me building some of these. Bye.